Restaurant open. Go in. Soup.
I'm so tired and I'm so hungry. I wish there was a restaurant open. Speaking of restaurant, I hope I can go to a restaurant today. Restaurant open. Hello?
Oh, hi. What would you like today? Oh, how many people for a restaurant?
Just one.
Okay. There. Follow me, please. That is your table.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Not lemonade.
I think I'm gonna get any fruits. I think I'm gonna get a hot dog, chicken, and for dessert, worms. And for sweets, I think a lollipop.
I think she's ready now.
Okay, what would you like?
Can I have
A hot dog, chicken. Can I have a
Okay, so you're at table 1, right?
yeah.
And then just one person.
Yep.
Okay, and for breakfast?
I don't really want anything for
Okay,
breakfast.
and how about drink? There's chocolate milk, milkshake, lemonade, milk, or hot milk, or hot cocoa.
I don't really want a drink.
The popular is the lemonade. Is a lemonade because it's more sugary.
I don't really like really sugary.
You could just try it. So I'll put that on the list. What about fruit? There's peas, cherries, mangoes, pears, pineapple, bananas, apples, oranges, blueberries, raspberries, or watermelon.
I don't really want any fruits.
Okay, how about for dinner? There's hot dog, chicken, rice and egg, flautas, snickerdoodles, lomo saltado, tortillas, rice and chicken, or fresh food, or fish or salmon.
Could I have a hot dog and a chicken?
Okay, what about dessert? Ice cream, ice, dead cold fish, worms, or snails?
Can I have worms?
Sure. What about sweets? There's a lollipop, gummy worms, gummies, or gummy snails.
Can I have a lollipop?
Okay, I need your signature right here. It could be a CV, CP, right here in the beginning.
Wait, do I just write a C and then like
A V?
a C, a dot, and then V?
Yeah, right here, right
C.
there. Another square.
There.
Okay, thank you.
Here you go.
We'll be ready in 20 minutes.
20 minutes. I hope the lemon is good.
Yep, I hope the lemonade is good. Wait a minute. That's a sign that he knows. That's the...
Okay, got everything ready.
Thank you.
So, let me put this back.
Okay.
Okay, here's your food. That's your food.
Oh. Okay.
So, this is a chicken.
What? How do you call that a chicken?
This is for this.
What?
So you get one or two, you put it in there, you fold it, and you eat it. A lollipop. And wait a minute, this is a hot dog, and I forgot what's this. Oh yeah, this was a gummy. This is snails. So
How do you call that snails?
see.
Mean.
So I'll leave you alone with your food.
Oh, right. People,
Like wait. Big pow.
Ow! My leg.
Pow.
Okay, this restaurant is the weirdest thing ever. The weirdest store ever.